Talofa lava and warm Pacific greetings. Honorable Prime Minister Fionga Fiamea Naomi Mata'afa, our distinguished guests, and our Commonwealth Ainga. Welcome to Samoa. My name is Moemoana Schwenke, and I'm proud to stand here as the Miss Pacific Islands alongside my friend Aria. We are proud daughters of Samoa and the Pacific region. In our Pacific, our connection to our land, ocean, is not just cultural, it's ancestral. The Pacific Way teaches us that we are stronger together, bonded by our cultural values of love, honor, respect, reciprocity to not only each other, but the environment around us. As a young Pacific leader, I have witnessed the beauty of our islands and the resilience of our people, but I have also seen the challenges. We are witnessing alarming changes in our islands, rubbish on our shores, pollution in our waters, threats to our forests and wildlife, and detrimental effects of climate change. These challenges compel us to act. We dream of a Samoa and a Commonwealth where our beaches are pristine, our oceans thrive, forests flourish, and our people are safe and thrive. But dreams alone are not enough. They require action and commitment. We, the youth, are ready to contribute in creative and innovative ways for a sustainable future, but we need your partnership. Let us here in Samoa embrace the Pacific Way, a commitment to leaving no one behind as we tackle climate change and environmental degradation together. With your promises and your help here at CHOGM, we can make sure that our islands and our Commonwealth remain healthy and beautiful for many generations. Our voices, those of the children and youth, have been captured in this book that we present to you today, which shares our hopes, dreams, and worries. May it bring to light and sincerity to all the talanoa and discussions that happen here at CHOGM. And we believe that with your leadership, these conversations can turn into real change for our islands. This is the ocean and the land that we fight for. Together, let us ensure that our Pacific and our Commonwealth endures for generations to come. So ifua ma'ia manuia, and I'll invite Aria to now say a few words.
Talofa, my name is Aria, and I am 5 years old. I love playing in the ocean and picking flowers. Please help us keep Samoa and all of our Commonwealth beautiful so I can keep enjoying nature.